Hello guys, welcome back to Speak Smart English. I'm so thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into something super exciting and incredibly important: how to improve and learn English faster. Whether you're just starting out or you've been learning for a while, this lesson is going to be your ultimate guide to mastering English in a fun, effective, and engaging way. Learning a language is like going on an adventure. It's challenging, exciting, and sometimes a little messy, but oh so rewarding. And just like any adventure, you need the right tools, strategies, and mindset to succeed. So, today I'm going to share with you 10 powerful tips that will transform the way you learn English. I'll go deep into each tip, share personal stories, examples, and even some fun tricks to keep you motivated. Ready? Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Immerse yourself in English. All right, let's start with tip number 1. Immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Now, what does that mean? It means surrounding yourself with English in every way you can. Think about it. When you're learning to swim, you don't just read about it, right? You jump into the water. The same goes for English. Here's how you can do it. Watch English movies and TV shows. Start with subtitles if you need to, but try to wean yourself off them over time. I remember when I first watched The Office, I had no idea what was going on, but I kept watching, and soon I was laughing at Michael Scott's jokes like a native speaker. Listen to English music and podcasts. Sing along to your favorite songs or listen to podcasts about topics you love. I used to listen to TED Talks while cooking, and it felt like having a conversation with the smartest people in the world. Read English books, articles, or even social media posts. Start with something simple, like children's books or blogs, and work your way up to novels or news articles. The key here is to make English a part of your daily life. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will feel. And trust me, your brain will start picking up patterns, vocabulary, and even grammar without you even realizing it. Tip 2. Practice speaking every day. Tip number 2 is practice speaking every day. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have anyone to practice with. Don't worry, you don't need a fluent English speaker to start practicing. You can talk to yourself, your pet, or even your plants. Here's what I used to do. Narrate your day. For example, while brushing your teeth, say, "I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm rinsing my mouth." It might feel silly, but it works. Role-play conversations. Pretend you're ordering food at a restaurant or introducing yourself to someone new. I used to practice ordering coffee by saying, "Hi, can I get a latte, please?" over and over until it felt natural. Use language exchange apps. Apps like Tandem or HelloTalk connect you with people who want to learn your language, and you can practice English with them. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Tip 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Here's a tip that will take your English to the next level. Learn phrases, not just individual words. Think about it. When you speak, you don't just say random words, right? You use phrases and sentences. For example, instead of just learning the word run, learn phrases like, "I need to run errands." "I'm running late." "She runs a successful business." This way, you'll sound more natural and fluent. I remember learning the phrase, "It's raining cats and dogs," and using it in a conversation. My friend was so impressed. Learning phrases also helps you understand the context in which words are used, which is super important. Tip 4. Use technology to your advantage. Tip number 4 is use technology to your advantage. We live in an amazing time where learning English is just a click away. There are so many apps, websites, and tools that can help you learn faster and more effectively. Here are some of my favorites. Duolingo. It's like a game where you earn points for learning new words and phrases. Anki, a flashcard app that helps you memorize vocabulary. YouTube, channels like Speak Smart English, Wink, Wink, are packed with lessons and tips. Google Translate, perfect for looking up new words or phrases on the go. I used to spend 10 minutes a day on Duolingo, and it made a huge difference in my vocabulary. Technology makes learning fun and accessible, so take advantage of it. Tip 5. Think in English. Here's a tip that will really speed up your learning. Start thinking in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to form your thoughts directly in English. For example, if you're at the grocery store, think, "I need to buy milk and bread," instead of thinking it in your language first. At first, it might feel slow and awkward, but over time, it will become second nature. I remember when I started doing this, it felt like my brain was doing gymnastics. But after a while, I noticed that I could speak more fluently because I wasn't constantly translating in my head. Give it a try. It's a game changer. Tip 6. Make mistakes and learn from them. Tip number 6 is make mistakes and learn from them. Many people are afraid of making mistakes, but guess what? Mistakes are your best teachers. Every time you mess up, you learn something new. I'll never forget the time I said, "I'm so boring," instead of, "I'm so bored." My friend laughed and corrected me, and I've never made that mistake again. Don't be afraid to speak, even if you're not perfect. Mistakes are proof that you're trying, and they're a natural part of the learning process. Tip 7. Set specific goals. Tip 7 is set specific goals. Instead of saying, "I want to learn English," break it down into smaller, achievable goals. For example, this week I'll learn 10 new words related to food. I'll practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. I'll watch one English movie without subtitles this month. When I started learning English, my goal was to watch one English movie a week without subtitles. It was challenging at first, but as I reached each goal, I felt more motivated to keep going. Setting goals gives you direction and helps you track your progress. Tip 8. Listen actively. Tip 8 is listen actively. When you're listening to English, don't just hear the words. Pay attention to how they're pronounced, the tone, and the context. For example, listen to how native speakers use contractions like wanna instead of want to, or gonna instead of going to. I used to listen to English songs and try to write down the lyrics. It was a fun way to improve my listening skills and learn new vocabulary. Active listening helps you understand the nuances of the language. Tip 9. Join English-speaking communities. Tip 9 is join English-speaking communities. Whether it's an online forum, a local meetup, or a language exchange group, surrounding yourself with other learners and native speakers can boost your confidence and skills. I joined a language exchange group where I met people from all over the world. We practiced speaking English together, and it was amazing to see how much I improved. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends. Tip 10. Be consistent and patient. Finally, tip 10 is be consistent and patient. Learning a language takes time, and progress might feel slow at first. But if you practice a little every day, you'll see results. Consistency is key. I remember feeling frustrated when I couldn't understand native speakers, but I kept practicing, and one day it just clicked. Trust the process and don't give up. Every small step counts. And there you have it. 10 powerful tips to help you improve and learn English faster. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. Use these tips, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Speak Smart English for more tips and lessons. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking smart English. Bye for now.